WebProxyTool Inspect Network App Review. WebProxyTool is a powerful app designed for anyone who wants to inspect network traffic on their device. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for developers, but here's the surprising truth: even casual tech enthusiasts can use it to troubleshoot connectivity issues, test APIs, and analyze web traffic with ease. Once you open the app, you'll notice its clean interface with real-time traffic logs. You can capture tip and tips requests, view headers, response codes, and even the raw payload. This makes it easier to debug apps or websites without needing a full desktop setup. For example, if a website isn't loading correctly on your phone, you can use WebProxyTool to see exactly where the request is failing. Another standout feature is filtering. You can filter traffic by domain, request type, or status code, which helps isolate issues quickly. The app also allows exporting logs in standard formats for sharing or further analysis. Security is taken seriously too, with encryption options ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. WebProxyTool is especially useful for testers, mobile developers, or anyone curious about how apps communicate with the internet. Even if you're not a professional, learning to inspect network traffic can improve your understanding of apps and troubleshooting skills. In conclusion, WebProxyTool isn't just a developer tool, it's a versatile network inspector that provides deep insights into web and app communication. Whether you're debugging, learning, or just curious, this app offers a user-friendly yet professional way to monitor network activity on the go.